Now today I'm at a ploughing match. I'm not sure who's actually holding it, but hopefully find out. I have got a leaflet, but I've never looked at it.
I'm dreaming of love. I'm searching the missing part of my heart. You catch me every time I fall. This is my life. I'm looking for you.
Now today I'm at a ploughing match. I'm not sure who's actually holding it, but hopefully find out. I have got a leaflet, but I've never looked at it. So here we have an international EGE 432X with a Caverland plough here. So it's quite nice. Usually when I come to these ploughing matches it's the Ferguson Open Day, so I'll see a variety of tractors today, which is good. I've just been told by the driver it's a 955 International, so making a few adjustments to the plough there. There's obviously one of the two tractors it's been used to fetch another tractor and plough here. Here we have a TM whatever and a MF390 behind there with a loader. And here we have C. Harvey on the blue one. I better not get run over. The C. Harvey, it's a New Holland T6080. Lantern side here. Anyway, it's a Massey Ferguson 6616 there. Never seen that one before. I've filmed the Harvey tractors in the past. So this is plot number 1 with International. That's ploughing this plot, 955 I do believe. This is plot number 2, the New Holland 4835. Don't believe I've ever seen one in my life before. With a 2-borough Caverland plough, I think it is. So it seems to be making quite a tidy job there. Another tractor I don't think I've seen before. It's a Ford 3930, 2-borough Caverland plough. Quite strange bodies on it there, but obviously it's for ploughing, so but, to be honest I know very little about ploughing, so I don't. Anyway, it's quite unusual. I don't know if that's supposed to be like that or not, to be honest, but very unusual. And it's plot number 1, 2, 3 I would imagine. Here we have another unusual tractor, a TL 100A, never seen one of those before, and a 06 plate. So we're getting some work done to the plough there, whatever's happened. Here we have plot ST, whatever that means. It's a 4-furrow reversible up at the far end there. So I'm just going to take a quick walk along here, because these 4 furrows are not long in getting the job done there. So I'll see what make the tractor is when it comes down before I head away. It's actually quite windy. It looks like a TM, whatever. I'll see it when it comes down, then I'll move on to the next lot. Certainly plenty of weights to the front there anyway. So it's certainly not going very hard. I've never actually been up this road before, I don't think. But I'll just, as I'm waiting for other tractors coming, this tractor coming down, I'll go to my right and see what's happening. And there are plenty of poles in the front there. They shouldn't get lost, they should be able to see where he's going. So all Fords over here at the moment. These are actually watering, it's that windy and cold. But it's a nice day just the same. Okay for this job. That's a TM155, oh it's Kirsten, didn't realise it was her, but it is. Oh, I think that's George as well. I'm out of breath there. Anyway, this Kenny Wiley on the New Holland T7.230 and a Pottinger plough, 4 in the back there. I'll go and see what sort of job he's making. Oh, it's Lloyd's demonstrator. Right. You still work for them, aye? I'll just get the vent in before I get too near the noise. Seems to be a fair bit of admirers up the other end there. I'll go and see what's happening. Most likely somebody I know. Now here we have a MF 6170 dyna shift with a 4 Kirkcudbritshire plough in the back there. I'll just go and catch this vent. I can catch this on the way back down.